Welcome back to Akram Tech, the place where students learn faster, work smarter, and level up their lives. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate study guide, real, practical strategies to improve your grades and save hours of wasted study time. Let's get started. If you're tired of reading your textbook for hours and still remembering nothing, stop. Because today, I'm giving you the exact study system top students use to get higher grades with less time. Let's go. First, stop reading your textbook like a novel. Here's the high-performance way to read smart. Read during your high-energy time. Don't study in a super comfy bed. You'll fall asleep. Before reading anything, preview the chapter. Look at the title and subtitles. Read the intro and summary. Check bold terms. Read all captions under graphs, maps, charts. Scan the review questions. Your brain learns faster when it knows the roadmap. Now, when you read out loud. And after every paragraph, play a quick game of Jeopardy. What's important here? How could this become a test question? Write your Q&A in the margins. Then highlight, but only after you understand, and only 15 to 25% of the page. 2. Master your study time. If you want your grades to jump, your time matters. Study during the day, study right before a class that needs memorizing, review immediately after a lecture so the info sticks. Study, sleep. Don't wake up early to cram. Sleep organizes your memory. Start with the hardest subjects while your brain is fresh. And before every study session, spend 10 minutes reviewing old notes. Cumulative learning equals stronger memory. 3. Perfect lecture notes. Want lecture notes that actually help? Use the big I, also called the Cornell Method. Here's how. Draw a vertical line down your page. Left side is main ideas, right side is details. After class, write a summary in full sentences. Review your notes daily before the next lecture. Also, sit in the front. Date your notes. Ask questions. If you don't get it in class, you won't get it at home. 4. How to study math. In math, watching is not learning. You must solve problems yourself. Do homework right after class. Do extra problems with answers in the back. Take math at a time of day when you're mentally sharp. 5. General student success rules. Last part, the rules that separate average students from excellent ones. Never skip class. Stay the whole period. Put deadlines in your planner immediately. Organize your handouts and notes. Create a clean, quiet study space. Eat well, sleep enough, exercise. And make one instructor know your name by the end of the semester. And most importantly, ask for help early. Use study groups, review sessions, and help labs. If you found these tips valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Study smarter, not harder, and you'll thank yourself during exam week. See you in the next video.